Good morning, happy Tuesday. I keep wanting to say happy Friday, but happy Tuesday. Let's get started. So whenever you see a colored box, that means you're doing an activity. So just to go over what we're doing today, and then we're going to go right into the actual activity. You're doing poetry analysis, so you're going to read the poem on the following slides in chunks. It should say slides because there's multiple slides. The following slides in chunks. I've already chunked it for you. Then answer the question for each chunk. So in this poem, the speaker describes the experiences of Sylvia Mendez, an important civil rights activist of Mexican, it's 8 o'clock, of Mexican Puerto Rican heritage. So Mendez played an important role in the desegregation of schools in California, meaning that white and Mexican American students were no longer forced to go to separate schools based on their race. All right, so you're going to go through, you're going to read, I'm just going to quickly go through these and then read them actually to you. So you're going to go through, you're going to read each chunk, and you're going to answer the question. So there are 4 chunks. So The Child by J. Patrick Lewis. Sylvia pushed into the wind, Septembering the trees, and hurtled over a railroad track to a 2-room shack that never read Browns only. It did not have to. So the first question is, where does Sylvia go? A, Sylvia goes to meet her friends in a shack in the forest. Remember, which of these questions actually has legitimate evidence to show that that's actually the answer, okay? So before you answer a question thinking, oh, that's definitely it, think about each part of it and is there evidence to show each part of that? B, Sylvia goes to the railroad to catch the train that takes her to school every day. Or C, Sylvia goes to a shack where brown children like her attend for school. Okay, think about it. Which one of these actually seems like there is legitimate evidence to prove each one of the, or to prove the answer? Okay. So under the billion-acre sky, she wondered, did white girls at 17th Street Elementary really wear rainbow necklaces? So which of the following describes 17th Street Elementary? A, it's a school that Sylvia can't afford to attend. Again, make sure that you understand which one of these has evidence to support, okay? B, it's a school that only white students can attend. And C, it's a private school that few students can attend. So which one is the best answer for that question? Next, Aunt Sally took her there once. Eyes sharp as ice picks pierced the window panes as if seeing a Mexican for the first time. Every door was locked with a secret combination of frowns. So how did people treat Sylvia when she visited 17th Street Elementary? A, they happily welcomed her inside. B, they hesitantly accepted her into the school. Or C, they made it clear she was unwanted at the school. Which one of those best describes, from what I just read, how they treated her in 17th Street Elementary? And then finally, how did anyone ever get in? Sylvia asked. Someone must know who has the right key. She looked up at her mother. Maybe me. So which of the following describes the key? The key is what students are required to have in order to attend the school. The key is the bravery that someone must possess to attend the school. Or the key is what will finally allow for Mexican students to attend the school. Which one of those is the best answer for the question that asks what describes the key? All right, that is actually it for today. Tomorrow we're going to read the same poem. We're just going to answer a little bit more in-depth questions. So attendance, please. Live question stock is there for you if you need it. And I'll see you tomorrow.